Hi, I'm not going to be here this next week. I'm in Arlington, Texas, so I'm just doing this ahead of time. This week what we're doing is I'm going to show you how to do 1.5 inch scallops and 2-inch scallops. After you've quilted something, I was like, I've been going to do this for a while, but I haven't been home long enough to figure it out, so I thought, this is the week. I have a lot of people when I go to shows that just love this quilt. This one didn't turn out perfect because I didn't sit down long enough when I was going to do this to figure it out exactly. I just kind of threw it together. But this is really, really cute. This is a gauze. Cute little baby quilt. And then I put the 3/4 inch. No, I think this is the inch actually. Yep, it's the inch. It's the 1 inch. Prairie points made into rickrack. And then I just did the 1.5 inch scallops all the way around. I thought it turned out absolutely darling. One of these bright years I will do a pattern for this, but it's really simplistic. I mean, this is nothing hard. So it's really simple. So let's get started. So then I thought, I live in Utah, so there's a lot of babies in Utah. And then I thought, what an easy thing to do. So I took 2 pieces of fabric. And I have a long arm machine. And by the way, Lindsay does long arming. I have a 36 inch, 14-foot gamma long arm. Lindsay's company is called simplystitchedquilts.com. I have 900 different designs. You can pick anything you want, and Lindsay does it. I have every kind of thread. I have every kind of batting. I have everything. My favorite batting is Windline. I love bamboo because I have asthma. This has got bamboo batting in it because I think it's amazing. So what I did was I took 2 pieces of fabric, and I'm really into pin tucking right now. Lindsay's over there smiling because I'm weird. Yes. So I had just the orange peel look done. So is that the cutest? And this is kind of boho for a baby. Then I took, and I thought, oh my gosh, I got all this stuff. So then I took and I rounded the corners because you want it rounded. So I rounded all the corners out once it was done. Okay. Then you make your scallops as you've seen me do it a zillion times, or just go on my website. You can click on my scallops and see how to do it. Then what I did was I started not in the corner like I normally do because I don't have a straight corner anymore. So I started a little off the corner. Then I put it just like I normally do my scallops or whatever I'm doing going on. But what I did when I got to about here is I took a pin and I measured exactly 5 inches and I gathered. You put your tension on an 8 or 9, your stitch length on a 5 or 6. So I brought the machine over here so I don't have to change it on my other machine. And I did the gathering. I gotta get glasses on, I can't see a dang thing. I'm getting old and moldy. So just gather it on both sides because you need it on both sides. Because one's going to be on one side and one on the other. So I make it so it looks nice. I take my pins. I make sure, don't put your pins in your mouth. I'll put that down. Lindsay just smiled then. Do as I say, not as I do. It took me a long time not to put once you put like a comb or something in your mouth, it's all full of hair. You quickly don't do it again because it really tastes crappy. Especially when you're doing a perm, it really tastes like crap. Or you have bleach on it. It's really gross. Then all you have to do is go like this and make sure when you go around the corner cut all of this and make sure it's caught. On the rounded corner. I think it looks so cute. Of course, you could use my half hexies, or you could use my mini points, or you could use whatever. But this is if you want somebody to long arm it, or if you don't have a long arm machine or don't want to have it done, all you'd have to do is start in the center and do lines all the way down. It would look just as cute, quick, easy, simple baby gift. And the thing is, this is what's going to make your quilt. You don't have to do anything special on the inside. That's the cool thing about it. So, when you're done with that, all you have to do is sew your 1/4 inch here, all the way around. Then, when you're done with that, you flip it out. See, there's your 1/4 inch. I sewed it. Like that. All the way around. Then all you have to do is flip it out like this, and you iron it. And this is my 2 inch. The other one was my 1.5. I wanted to show you could do both. You could do 2 colors, you could do 1 color. And yesterday, I didn't like what I did, so I took it off and started all over again, because sometimes you just don't like what you did. And I thought, I knew I had this fabric somewhere, so I had to hunt all over for it, because I have fabric all over the house. Then after you're done with that, flipping it all out, all you have to do is a decorative stitch or whatever you would like, and it is out like that. And is that the cutest thing you have ever seen in your life? And voila, you have a blanket for a baby. Then I thought, what you could do, and I didn't get time to do it yet, is you could take and do some pious tape all the way around, or ribbon, and put it on top of there, and that would be really cute too. I didn't get that far. I will show you one day that too. So, in one quick, easy swoop, you have a baby blanket, and it is the cutest, and it is the easiest thing that you can do. So I thought, yippee, skippy, yay. That's another way you can use my 1.5 and 2 inch as a binding, because normally I suggest not to use them as a binding unless you put, right sides together, put it out, yada, yada, yada. But this is a way you can do it after you have had it long-armed, or you want to quilt it yourself. Oh, remember, as of June through August, we're going to start doing live videos at 9 o'clock in the morning because of summer hours with the grandkids. And God bless and thank you. And make sure you comment, because between 10 and 10:30 we will draw some names, and it's a surprise giveaway. God bless and thank you so much.